Okay, this is just a quick B-roll, I guess, or update on the cab. So seat is installed, obviously. Back panel, back glass, side glasses are being installed for a while now. Got both headlights installed. Pretty simple. Yeah, they're just pop in. Waiting on switch for the blower and wiring for a door. So this is the door. Chose this door, the cheapest option actually that I got. Door was about, with shipping, close to $1,000. Came with the latch, wiper motor, wiper. Didn't come with hinges, and didn't come with the washer, fluid bottle, and the harness. So ordered those separate. They're coming in the mail. Installation will be pretty straightforward. Just snap, just put the door into the hinges. There are a couple of there are two hinges which cost, I don't know, a couple bucks. I think they were like $15 for the pair with the bolts. I don't see why they didn't include it in the kit. I guess people don't change them very often, or whatever the reason is. Anyway, so that's an update on the cab. Getting ready to, while I wait on parts, I'm getting ready to install these panels, and joysticks are gonna be installed. So yeah, that's the cab for now.